What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad, back again with another video. This time I'm out here with my test panel. As you can see it right here, I'm doing my test panel today. I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step tutorial exactly on how to apply ceramic coating. No, my test panel will not be paint corrected or any of that, because it's just is a quick step-by-step tutorial video. The step-by-step. I'm going to show you step 1. I'm going to tell you step 2. I'm going to tell you step 3, etc., etc. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope somebody out there in YouTube land take this video and actually use these steps, the Kash steps, on how to ceramic your car. Well, on this test panel. So if y'all bear with me, like I said, it's your boy KashDaKoolDad, and we about to get it. Let's go. So here's my test panel. As you can see, it's all beat up, but that's cool. I'm gonna get to that another day, but right now I'm gonna just be using this here section. It is not too bad. It don't have that many swirls in it, so that's a good thing. I mean, there's some swirls, but again, correction is coming soon. Today is just a simple how to ceramic your vehicle. To the touch, it is a little warm, so I might move the panel inside of my garage. It's a little warm to the touch. I'm gonna douse it down with some water right now to show you guys that there's nothing on here. This is nothing but a sheet of paper of water. What I use to clean, an acid wheel cleaner, and I use this here, some Eagle One. It's supposed to be the bottle is Eagle One. I want to say that, but inside of here is a iron remover. I just had to use a bottle that I had. So again, just to show you all. As you can see, the water is just all over the panel. But I'm going to dry this off. There we go. As you can see, the water is staying on the panel. But I'm about to go and set you guys up right here with a nice little test panel on how to install some Proje Ceramic. So I get back with you guys after I set it. So YouTube, first step first, after prepping your panel, cleaning all the iron off, I went ahead and did me a two rectangles, two squares. First square is gonna be Proje Ceramic. So I'm gonna show you how to apply Proje Ceramic right here, right in front of you. No cuts, no edits. I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna have a test panel for something else. Alright, so YouTube, first step first. Prep spray. I'm gonna spray the panel, only this side where Proje is. That should be enough because it's a small test panel. Step one, prep, as you just seen. You have to prep. Applicator, ceramic. Here, few drops. 3 drops, 4 drops. 4 drops go a long way. So I hope you guys see that. 4 drops go a long way. Okay, Google, start a 2-minute timer. I just dripped some sweat right here. Hope y'all can see that. A little hazy right now, but that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, time to wipe it off. So after you do your step 1, which is prep, i.e. wash, remove all the old wax. Step 1, subpart A, use your prep spray. Wipe it down. Step 3, apply ceramic. Step 4, wait 2 minutes before you wipe. Step 5, buff, work it in. Step 6, and this is how Kash do his. You didn't see this here. Got some on this side, I didn't want to. Now, you wait 20 minutes before we could put some water drops on it or any of that good stuff.
"2,000 years later."
And like that, we're back. It's smooth, slick to the touch. Let me see. Drop a few drops on it. We got a little ceramic on that end too. Look how I streak up after it come off the panel. But on the panel, it's good. I think we have successfully installed Proje Ceramic. Again, in the description below, I'm gonna have each step-by-step labeled out for you all. It's not hard, it's easy. And look, all that water is just, oh yeah. I say this is a certified win. Take it out and do a hose test. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is the panel out in the sun. I have my hose here. Let's see. As you can see, Proje is beating up everything else. Even on the outside, because I got some Proje around there, so, and on this panel I got a little bit, but you can still see that Proje is beating up and the other panel is just holding all the water. So I think that was a successful video. If y'all have any questions, ask in the comments. I'ma answer them. If you need to follow me, my social medias will be in the description below. If y'all enjoyed this video, I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Hit the sub button, like, share, and comment. Thank you.